Hey Pete, this is Bobby with Herrera SEO and Marketing. This is your free action plan video that I promised you. It's going to give you a few tips on what you can do to increase your online presence and grow your revenue. If at the end of this video you want to take advantage of the steps on your own, go right ahead. Of course, I'm here for you if you want any help. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this keyword mobile mechanics in Dallas. This tool Ahrefs right here is showing me that this phrase is searched approximately 400 times every month, and it has a keyword difficulty of 10. So that means that it's pretty easy to rank without having to pay Google for a Google ad. A Google ad right here, a cost per click is $5. So to let you know what that means and how it works is when people search this, when they put mobile mechanics into the Google search bar, this is what pops up. So this first part right here are the Google ads, and each time somebody clicks on one of these ads right here, this company right here is paying $5 to Google. Nowadays search engines, they have ad blockers, so sometimes people may search this right here, and if they have that ad blocker, this is not even going to show up. So the next section I want to show you right here is the map pack, or the Google My Business, the GMB section. So to get ranked right here, there's a couple of things that Google does. First, you need to have what's called a Google My Business page. So that's something that you can just do a little search for and build it on your own. If you want some help building yours properly and to get it ranking, then of course give me a call. And in order to rank here, you have to have what's called citations. And citations are your business's name, address, and phone number the way it's listed right here in your Google My Business page. So you notice right here that these are the top 3 on this section right here, and of course you notice that you're not here. Well, the main reason you're not here is because you don't have a Google My Business page. So when I click right here on Dallas Best Mobile Mechanic, it shows me his page. This basically is his Google My Business page. He has 19 Google reviews, so in order for you to outrank him, you need to have 2 or 3 times as many Google reviews as possible. You need to make sure that you have the services listed right here, and that you have a little bit of content that tells you about your site, and you have to have 2 or 3 times as many pictures as he does. And make sure you have your website listed and just all of this stuff. So the next section that I'm going to show you is the organic section, which is right below the map section. So in order to get here, you have to have a website. And we see right here that Dallas Mobile is number 1. Then you have these other ones listed below. This right here, Yelp, it's actually a directory that you can list your citation to, and that'll give you more power for your Google My Business page. So just having a website alone isn't going to bring you right here. I'm going to show you a couple of things that you need to do on your website. So when I click here on Dallas Mobile Mechanics website, and this is what it shows me. So the first thing that Google looks at is to see how much knowledge and how much content you actually have about the particular subject. So you have to have a lot of content, a lot of knowledge for Google to rank you. I scroll all the way down and I notice that he does have quite a bit of content. So it looks like he probably has about 1,500 words on there. So in order for you to beat him, your page has to have at least 2,000 to 3,000 words on your page. But the content has to be keyword rich, which means we need to find the high searched volume keywords and add them to your page. Along with content, Google ranks your page based on the strength of your backlinks. So we're going to go back to Ahrefs. Right here we searched it, I entered their website onto this little toolbar right here, and I noticed that Dallas Mobile Mechanic, they have 59 referring domains that's given them 174 backlinks. These are companies that are relevant to the mobile mechanic industry that are putting Dallas Mobile Mechanics website link on their page. But not all backlinks are created equally. We have to have backlinks that have a high DR or a high domain rating in order for them to give you power and to actually help Google to rank you higher. So basically, those are the 3 things that I wanted to talk to you about. To go over it again, it's citations. So first you need to build your Google My Business page and put your company in a lot of directories throughout Google. The second thing is, whenever you do get your website, make sure you have keyword rich content and that you find a lot of backlinks so that you can be #1 in no time. So thank you for taking the time to listen to my video. I'll be giving you a call tomorrow so I can hear your feedback. Have a great rest of your day.